Hello everyone, welcome again to GIS ePathshala. So today we are going to start our chapter number 2, that is fractions and decimals. So in our previous standard we already learned about the fractions, but in this class 7 you are going to learn about multiplication and the division of the fractions and decimal. So let me revise something. So how well you learn about fractions, a proper fraction. So 7 by 4, a proper fraction or not? So here numerator is bigger, so it is improper fraction. It is not a proper fraction. It is not proper fraction. It is improper fraction. And if we write down 4 by 7, so it's a proper fraction. If the numerator means a top number, numerator is smaller than the denominator, so it's a proper fraction. And if the numerator is bigger, here 7 by 4, so it's a improper fraction. So the fraction that are improper, so we can convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction by division. If 7 by 4 is there, so we can do 7 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. And subtraction of these two, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So we can write down one integer, 1 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction of the given improper fraction 7 by 4. So this one integer 3 by 4, it is called mixed fraction. So this way we can find the mixed fraction. Now let me start our example number 1. Write 5 equivalent fractions of 3 by 5. We have to write down the 5 equivalent fractions of 3 by 5. 3 by 5, 3 upon 5. So multiply the both numerator and denominator with the same number and you will get the equivalent fraction of the given fraction. So multiply this both by 2. So 6 by 10 is a 1 equivalent fraction of the 3 by 5. Another, multiply this both by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 5 3s are 15 is another equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5. Then multiply this both by 4. 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. Multiply the both numerator and denominator with 5. 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So here we got 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 is remaining. Multiply this both numerator and denominator with 6. 3 6 are 18, 5 6 are 30. So here we got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 equivalent fraction of the given fraction. Example number 2. Ramesh solved 2 upon 7 part of the exercise while Seema solved 4 upon 5 of it. Who solved the lesser part? So this both we have to compare these both. So in the comparison, first thing, do the denominator same. So if we want to do the denominator same, so we have to find the LCM of 7 and 5. 7 is a prime number and 5 is also prime number. So LCM of 7 and 5 is 7 5s are 35. Prime number means the number which has only two factors. One factor is 1 and another factor is number itself. और सिंपल लैंग्वेज में हम बोले तो 7 ऐसे नंबर्स जो कोई भी टेबल में ना आते हो उसको बोलते हैं प्राइम नंबर्स. सो 7 किसी भी टेबल में नहीं आता, सेम 5 भी कोई भी टेबल में आता नहीं है. सो LCM ऑफ 7 and 5 इज इक्वल टू 35. 7 5s are 35. दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, you will get the LCM of 7 and 5. Now to become the denominator same, so here 7 is there, so multiply this 7 with 5 and also you multiply numerator with 5. 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35, so it's a 10 upon 35. Here 5 is there, so if you want here 35, so 5 7s are 35, so multiply numerator and denominator with 7. So 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35. So here we got both are same, 10 upon 35, 28 upon 35. So which one is bigger? denominators are same, so just forget the denominator. From this 10 and 28, 28 is bigger, so sign is this, and here 4 by 5 is bigger, so we can put here sign less than. So here 4 by 5. So question is this: who solved lesser part? So 2 by 7 is lesser, so Ramesh solved lesser part. Example number 3. Samira purchased 3 integer 1 upon 2 kg apples and 4 integer 3 upon 4 kg oranges. What is the total weight of the fruits purchased by her? We have to find here total weights, means addition of these both mixed fraction. So these both are the mixed fraction. So to add these, first of all, convert these mixed fraction to improper fraction. So how can we convert? Here 3 integer 1 upon 2 plus 4 integer 3 upon 4 kg, addition of these two. So let me convert it into improper fraction. 3 2s are multiplication of these two. So 3 multiplied by 2. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So it's a 7 by 2. 7 upon 2 plus 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 19. So 19 upon 4. Now here friends, both the denominator are different. Now here 4 is there, here 2 is there. So to become the denominator same, here we want 4. So multiply these 2 with 4. 2 2s are 4, and upside also we multiply with 2. So 2 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. 14 by 4 plus 19 by 4. Now the denominator is a same. Now we can take a denominator common. So 4, or upside 14 plus 19. So 14 plus 19 is equal to 33. So 33 by 4 kg is the total weight of the fruits. And if we convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction by division, so we will get the answer 8 integer 1 upon 4 kg is the total weight of the fruits. Example number 4. Suman studied for 5 integer 2 by 3 hours daily. She devotes 4 upon 5 hours of her time for science and mathematics. So how much time does she devotes for other subject? So total hour of study is this. Total this much hour, 5 2 by 3 hour she is studying. Now from this 4 by 5 hours she spent for science and mathematics. So total hour minus these hours, science and mathematics hour. So we will get the other time for remaining subjects. So first of all, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 17. So 17 by 3 hour. So it a total time of Suman's study. Now time devoted by her for science and mathematics is 4 upon 5. So 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 15. 10 plus 4 14 by 5. 14 upon 5 hour the time given for science and mathematics. Now do the subtraction of total time minus time for science and mathematics. Then you will get the time for another subjects. So here it's a given subtraction. So here 3 and 5 both are prime numbers. So the multiplication of this both we got the LCM. So 3 5s are 15. 15 is the LCM of the given numbers 3 and 5. So in the both denominator we want here 15. Also here we want 15. So here 3 is there. So multiply this 3 by 5. 3 multiplied by 5 and 17 multiplied by 5. So 17 multiplied by 5 and 3 multiplied by 5, it's of 15. Now here 5 is there. So here we want 15. So multiply this 5 by 3. So 5 multiplied by 3, 14 multiplied by 3. 14 multiplied by 3 and 5 3s are 15. So here both the denominators are same. Now 17 5s are 85, 14 3s are 42. Now 85 minus 42 is equal to 43. So 43 by 15. Now convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So you will get 2 integer 13 by 15 hours for the remaining subject. So Suman spent 2 integer 13 upon 15 hours for the remaining subject. So here we stopped our lecture. In our next video we will see exercise 2.1. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.